Hi everyone, we're going to convert percents here to fractions and decimals. So percents are always out of 100, so we're going to use that to make a fraction pretty quickly. 136% then must be 136 out of 100. So that would be a fraction that represents this percent. Then if you simply divide the numerator by the denominator here, you would get a decimal that represents this. This would be 1.36 for your decimal. For the next one, same idea. We could just take 265, put it out of 100, since fractions are out of percents are out of 100, and that would be a fraction that would work. It's not a simplified version of a fraction, but it is a fraction. Then we could just again divide the numerator divided by the denominator, and we can get a decimal that represents this. 2.65 would be our decimal. And this works every single time. We can take 9.45 and make that out of 100. And that would be a fraction that represents this. Now you could rewrite this as 945 and then add a couple of zeros onto the bottom here out of 10,000. That is equivalent. If we divide these, any of these situations, any of these fractions here, we could get the decimal that represents this, which would be, I'm just going to do 9.45 divided by 100. So 9% would be 0.09. This is just 0.0945. No big deal there, just very similar. 89% again would be 89 out of 100. And if we divide those, we get 0.89. And that's our fraction, and that's our decimal.